Hello, Safaris 2 elementary school lovers. Welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of Safaris 2 elementary school Jambi.
Hello, teacher and friends. My name is Cecilia Veronica Stefani.
Hi, my friends and all teachers. My name is Zevanya Natali Berprangin-angin.
Hello everyone, my name is Catherine Michelle.
Hello, my name is Atalia.
Hello, my name is Keikwan Gita Febrina Manik.
Hello teachers and friends, my name is Desmond Aglesia.
Hi friends, hi miss, my name is Gifra Natali.
What's going on in this time? Right, I'm going to tell you something. Your friends, as the 6th grader students, they have finished their lesson here and they will show you their ability in English. What are they? Right now, they will compete each other in vocabulary enrichment. And they are going to compete in one game called I Know That Word. There are 21 participants joined, and then they will compete each other, and there will be the winners of that, of course. And what are they going to do? They will show their ability in vocabulary. You see, there is the word of this. How to pronounce it? Quite difficult, right? Well, I try to pronounce it. It's paella. Paella. It's a kind of food from Spain. Yep, they have learned about the international food from this book. So I hope that they and you, all the 6th grader students and all of the students of Safaris 2, you must enrich your vocabularies, especially from this book. And then beside that, they will write something when I ask them to write. So the game is like ranking satu, and the game is like spelling game, and we try to combine it.
I am one of the competitor in this competition. The competition called I Know That Word. My motivation to join this competition are to add to my skills and create new experience for myself. So I need support from you all. Thank you.
I was one of the participants who took part in the I Know That Word competition. My motivation for participating in this competition is to increase my knowledge of English and to gain experience. So, support me guys! Thank you!
Now, I want to say to you, I am joining the word competition in my school. My reason to join this competition is to add my experience, to challenge myself and make my dreams come true. My hope to participate in this competition is in order to develop my English skills. Okay, that's a word from me. Don't forget to support me. Thank you and see you again. Bye!
My destination is to participate in this contest because I want to add in English lessons. Hope I enter this contest because I want to win. Please support me to be a winner. Thank you!
My motivation to join this competition is I want to be better at English and hopefully I'll win this competition. I need support from everyone around me, so please support me. Thank you.
I am one of the competitor in this competition. This competition is called I Know That Word. Zevanya needs support from everyone so that Zevanya can win and give their best for this competition. My motivation to participate in this competition is to be more confident in appearing in public, to add insight and knowledge, and to make my mama, papa proud me. and please your support. Bye-bye.
At my school, there is a competition called I Know That Word. I'm one of the participants of the competition. I want to ask for support from all my friends so that I can become a champion. My motivation for participating in this competition is so that can get better at speaking English. Thanks, Miss and friends. Bye.
So, are you wondering about it? Well, check it out in this channel. We are waiting for you to watch it. And for the competitors, I said good luck. And bye. See you in the next moment. Bye.
B is for banana, banana. C is for cake, cake. D is for duck, duck. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for guitar.